Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? We just missed out on one of the best trade we could have ever taken. So let me show you what happened before all this. All right. So this was our forecast for yesterday. That was on USDJPY, a 7 pip stop loss and a 166 target, making it a 1 to 23 risk reward ratio. All right. So as you can see from here, we had a nice rally based drop supply zone with equal highs which are left behind. And then what we were anticipating was for the market to come and tap into this POI right here on the 1 hour time frame before we can see any sales going to the downside, right? It was a beautiful forecast right here. And then choosing the right broker to be able to trade with is one of the most crucial important steps you're going to take as a trader, and that's the reason why we've partnered with Hot Forex Market. These guys have been in the industry for over 14 years and offer one of the best services in the market. These guys offer 1 to 2,000 leverage, ultra fast execution, quick deposit and quick withdrawals, and swap free accounts. These guys have over 500 tradable assets, and they are multi regulated in different countries, guys. These are one of the best brokers you can trade with in the market. All right. And listen, on top of you trading with this particular broker, we're going to offer you free signals for 3 months as long as you are able to trade and deposit with this particular broker right here. You guys, we are proud to partner with Hot Forex Market. And now let's get back to the video. This is what happened in today's news. The market didn't really want to come to my area. You can see that the market just left us how many pips? We can see that it is literally about 13 pips away from our POI, and then the market just decided just to drop and go all the way to 1 to 64 risk to reward ratio, surpassing our target, which was right here, right? So the good thing is that I followed my strategy. However, one part was missed out. If I looked at this in the morning, I'd have potentially actually took this particular trade. So let me show you first off. First of all, you have to understand that the overall direction of this particular market has been to the upside. You can see right here the market has been going to the upside. But what got me interested into looking for selling opportunities on this particular trade was this behavior that happened right here. So this was the highest high that the market has created in a long time. So once that I saw that, I saw the market breaking lows right here. So the market started to break structure to the downside. And that's always something. Whenever you have that, it means that there's a potential change of the market direction. So what I did was I went to the lower time frame and identified my order block right here and marked everything. And we also had liquidity which was left right here. So what I was anticipating was for the market to come and take out the liquidity here. Apparently this liquidity was already taken out. You can see right here, this liquidity was already taken out. The second liquidity I was waiting for was the Asian session. So usually I wait for the market to take out the Asian session and come into my POI. However, what I didn't realize was the market had created another POI on the lower time frame. So you can see that this right here is what caused the market to actually drop. So you can see that the market created another POI upon breaking that liquidity right there. Let me just show you in a minute. So if you can do this, if you zoom in right here, you're going to realize that the market actually created another POI right here. So this was a nice small zone right which was created, and you can see just after taking out the high of the Asian session, the market decided to drop right here. For me, I was waiting for it to come and actually come into this area. However, the market has its own mind. It just took this small POI which was left right here, and then the market just dropped. Personally, I was waiting for the market to come into this area right here. That's where my alert was. I was just waiting for the market to come there, and I was just looking. for the alert to be triggered, and the alert never came, just to see the market dropping over 450 pips, guys. The market dropped over 450 pips. That's crazy. That's crazy. That's super crazy, guys. Look at that. Over 1 to 60 risk reward ratio. Of course, my target was 166 pips. The market ended up dropping 450 pips, guys. 450. My target was right here. However, the market decided to go even further all the way to 160. And we missed this trade by few pips, guys. Amazing. Amazing what the market can do. All right, so this is what happened. The only thing I missed out on this particular trade is that not looking at it early in the morning, because I had quite a few pairs which I was looking at, and this was one of them. And I didn't really pay attention to this small POI which was left behind. I was looking at and focusing on that higher time frame POI which was left yesterday, and that's how I missed out on this beautiful trade. All right, as you can see, everything played out amazing. My focus was on point. It's just that I missed out one part, which is looking at the lower time frame POI which was left behind after the Asian session was taken out. You guys already know I don't trade before the Asian session is taken out. So in this particular case, the Asian session was taken out. No excuse on that. However, the market didn't come to my predetermined level where I was looking to take the trade from, and that costed me a 1 to 23 risk reward ratio, potentially a 1 to 60, guys. So that's going to happen. I can't beat myself up for missing such a beautiful trade, but guess what? These are things which are going to happen in the market, and I'm just glad that it actually went in my direction as predicted, and hopefully members in the mentorship community were able to take this, because this was a beautiful trade. And if you'd like to be able to receive these forecasts, there's only one way to do it. Is via our M&F mastery course, which is linked down in the description. So make sure you check the first link and get yourself our course for you to be able to access lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals in our private communities. All right, so this is what happened. I thought I would share with you guys on what happened on this particular trade, because I mean, this would have been a beautiful trade, but we can't catch them all, guys. Some will miss out, and you just need to understand that it's going to happen. Don't be yourself too much. These things happen every now and then, and you never catch them all. All right, so I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.